Well, hello. Thanks, subscribers. It's 360 Briggs in a new building. Yay, new shop. New tractor, new boat, new engine, and new project. The first project, this is, sorry, I have a bit of a cold, but first project is a 73 SS16 twin. I'm going to restore it. 16 horse Onan, 1973. Does not run, has a little bit of a cart problem. I think it might be the fuel pump. So if anybody can help me find a carb rebuild kit, that'd be great. Needs a little more parts. Need a dashboard. Doesn't need to look exactly like that. Can be any old SS16 just as long as it'll fit. We got 2 bolts there and 2 bolts on the other side, which are identical. Got a 3-point hitch, big wheels. And this will be either this is an update and a video number 1, and I suppose we'll do a cold start on the new tractor. So that's the SS16. I'll try and keep you posted on that. This is a Everard 33 horse ski twin. Not sure what year, but I sure like the contour in the hood, and that's a new boat. It's a 14-foot V-hull. If anybody knows what year that engine is, I'll try and get the serial numbers up on another video. Alright, well, that's that. And now I'm sure you want to know about this one. This is 68 Suburban 12. And it was going to be my snow machine, but I need chains, and you know, couldn't find them, and I don't want to rip up my tires. So that's that. And it hasn't ran in a little bit. Well, it hasn't ran in a day, and it's -10 in here. So let's see. Keys in the ignition. This stupid battery connection right there. Since it's kind of been abused and it broke, but anyway, I'm gonna choke. Now this thing, I haven't done anything to it. It hasn't ran, and I'm just gonna turn the key and crank it. Don't blame me if it starts right up. It is an excellent cold start. Throttle it up, just a little, not too much. Let's see. Stupid thing. Need to connect my battery. Don't blame me. What a cold start. Don't blame me for that. That was amazing. That's the best it's ever done. Got all the haze already. I'm running it on a little bit rich. I don't have any gas. I'm running it on a bit of 2-stroke that I had laying around for that boat. And so, it looks smoky. Wow, this thing is quite the machine. Anyway, thank you, subscribers. And keep you posted on the SS16 project. And see you later. Bye.